Hi, today we're going to talk about how to embed your hoop board into your native website. So we're going to log into our board. We're going to go to Embed on our left-hand menu here. And here we're going to see all of our embedding options. For options, we have an app view, which is going to be your full view. So this is going to be just like having the hoop board on your website, just embedded into your personal website. Bulletin view is going to be a simple view, which is not going to have any apps. It is just going to showcase your hoots and events. Then we have a calendar view, which is just going to showcase your events. And then we have a collections only view, which is going to be your simplest view, only showing collections. You have a few more options, such as board collections, which allows you to filter the content that's going to show up on that embedded hoop board on your website. Then we have some appearance options. We have the responsive, which is what we highly recommend. That is going to adapt the size to fit the website layout. But we also have a fixed size in case that is your preference. Down here, we're going to have the code that you actually need to embed. You can simply click copy code, go to your website, embed that on, and you'll have a fully functioning hoop board right on your website. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.